Alright, we're at exactly 100 packs. Okay? We're gonna open them real quick. Alright, we're gonna be opening 100 packs. Okay, we got exactly 69 alpha packs and 31 bravo packs. Alright. We're hoping to get a black ice or something here. Alright, let's just go away. Let's just start opening them. Purple, we're starting off with a purple. Ah, it's not even black ice, bro. You know, this isn't terrible, but I do have the bald elite skin, so I don't know. All right, another purple, back-to-back purple. Oh, I actually thought it was black ice for a second. At least it's not a duplicate. We don't want any duplicates. Okay. We got our two lucky greens or purples. Now we're on to this shit. Like I would rather use the universal gingerbread skin, you know? Okay, we got a blue. Blues can sometimes be good. Unless it's a charm. Okay, buddy. Okay, buddy. Alright, please. I really want MP7. I really want MP7 Black Ice. What the fuck? This is no Pulse Elite skin, bro. Paul's got motherfucking glasses, boy. Boy looking like he going to Princeton, but head ass, get your head ass out of here, boy. My god, please give me a legendary or like Black Ice, please. I don't care about no damn charms, okay, buddy? All right, I can see Black Ice. I can see it. Are you kidding me? Get your ugly ass off the screen, boy. All right. Oh my god. Thanks, Ubisoft. Just give me all the uncommons right off the bat, so then we can get this Black Ice right. Ooh, legendary. Ooh, glazed waffle. The only problem is I don't use Maverick or Thorn, but if I ever do, best to know I'm putting this glazed waffle on my weapon. Okay, that was 9 packs. This is the 10th pack. Ooh, back-to-back legendaries. Damn, this is fire. Ooh, ooh. Now that's nice. Okay, looks like bro has a fucking air conditioning unit on his head. But it's not bad. It's not. We could get worse. M7 Black Ice. No! I mean, I'll take it. I think that's my best Rook headgear. So, I'll take it. But I would rather have MP7 Black Ice. I don't use Blackbeard. I'm never gonna use that skin. That's just the fact. Oh, MP7 Black Ice. No! Wilhelm, bro. I don't play Blitz. Alright. Oh, MP7. How the fuck is that a skin? It's literally just the normal skin. How is that an epic? Ubisoft. How is that an epic? Blue, we got a blue. Blue's, what the hell? That is ugly as fuck. Okay, please, Black Ice guys, just give me, I'd take anything. You know, I actually wanted this universal weapon skin, so I'll take it. The Arctic looks so clean, but I would much rather have Black Ice, but, oh, okay, this look, okay, same thing with that pistol. How is this an epic? Why? Because like the barrel is a tiny bit polished. Like, come on, buddy. Come on, Ubisoft. I know you're just playing games here. Okay, now this is the type of shit that we don't want to get. The ugly ass skins. Okay, we got a purple. We got black ice, black ice. Okay, buddy. We got oil spill. I can tell. Okay. Okay. What the hell? Okay. I can tell that they've been giving us all these uncommons. Okay, I literally just got this. I can tell that they've been giving us all of these, ooh, just what I was about to say. They've been giving us all these uncommons and rares to hype it up. I'm telling you, bro. We're getting a black ice on this one. Boy. Ah! Okay. Now that is literally just default. Okay, we got 31 Bravo packs. Okay, we're starting off with an uncommon. Okay. Oh, okay. Yo, this is so cool. I just love looking at this. It just looks so cool. Okay, back-to-back purples. Let's go! Our first black ice in this video, and it's after 69 alpha packs and 2 Bravo packs, or maybe 1 Bravo. I'm losing track. I'll take this. If I ever use a Maru, this is going on it. I'm never using IQ, but if I use a Maru, that is going on it. Okay, triple. Okay. A bit of a letdown, but that probably is the coolest skin I have for that shotgun. Okay. Back to blues. That's fine. Because we're getting another black ice right here. Told you! Yes! You do not know how badly I love this shotgun. I love playing a mutant smoke with this shotgun. You already know I'm going to be using it all the time. Alright. Back. Okay, I was about to get cocky and be like back-to-back black ices, but I gotta calm myself real quick. I'm seeing that these Bravo packs are a lot better than the alpha packs. Alright. Okay, black ice. Let's go, baby! We got 3 black ices in here so far. We still got 17 more to go. Back-to-back black ices. Oh my god, back-to-back black ices. Holy dongles or something. And it's from Ozzy. This is a cop. A tank? Bro, that's my Tonka, bro.
Say your name was?
Vroom. Oh, a first legendary from Bravo pack. Ooh. I mean, it looks alright, but it's also not. It's not crazy. It's mid. Oh. Another black ice, but I never use the shotgun on Ela. I always use the SMG. But I'll take it. 4 black ices. Kinda going crazy. Takes 2 uncommons back to back, which means there's gonna be a black ice right here. Please, I really want MP7. I really want MP7 black ice. There's only a couple packs left. 8 packs left to get MP7 black ice. Please. Or I take MP5. I take MP5 or MP7. Okay. MP7 or MP5, bro. Those are the ones I want. That's silly. I don't know. That's pretty silly, I'd say. Alright. Please, MP7, MP5, please. Hey, yo. That's super cool. If I say that, maybe Ubisoft will like be like, oh, he deserves a black ice. Ah! SMG 12, baby! What's that, 6 black ices? 6 black ices? Sheesh. You're going nuts. You're going crazy. Oh, a legendary? Yo, that's actually pretty sick. That's crazy. Okay, 3 packs left. Boy, what the hell, boy? Okay, we got a blue. I keep getting this skin for every... Okay, this is the last pack. Please be a purple. Please be a purple. Ah, of course we have to end it off with an uncommon. Oh. We got some crazy shit from that. Alright, that was insane. Well, now I'm gonna be saving some more alpha packs.
Hop on the green bean, how can I go scrap? No effort out, all they got that bitch wet.